Time now for your forewarned weather with Nate Larson.
Nate, it's been a while since we've seen any rain in our area. It's just been hot out there.
Yeah, much different story here.
Yeah, definitely seeing a different picture. Usually when we have a ridge of high pressure across the west, there's an area of low pressure, if not active conditions across the central, if not eastern part of the country. We're seeing still some active weather across the northeast corner of the country, across the eastern coast as well. And in fact, still some heavy rains being reported in the same areas that have already seen significant rainfall and flooding. We're going to be showing you what we're seeing, of course, across our neck of the woods. We have high pressure down to the south and east of us. There's a weak disturbance to the north of us that's brushing by, bringing a little bit of shower activity to some of the Pacific Northwest, the northern Rockies. But here in the Beehive State, we've been dry. What we've been dealing with is just the hot temperatures, as Courtney mentioned, and some breezy, if not gusty winds. Hot temperatures. Speaking of that, we had 100 degrees again yesterday at Salt Lake City, so that's now the second time for this season. Average number, according to what some of our climate suggests, it's about 4 triple-digit days. We already have a couple more in the forecast after having 2 last year with the hottest summer ever recorded. We had 34 triple-digit days, and we usually have our first one around July 7th. So we're certainly seeing that close to average as far as the timing with those triple-digit days. Temperatures across the area, along with some of the winds, you can see those whipping across the Colonial flag shot here. We're at 94 degrees in Brigham City. Heber City just 90, 97 at the Salt Lake Airport, 98 in Moab, and Cedar City upper 80s, almost 90 degrees there. Triple-digit heat for Lake Powell at 101, still hanging on to the century mark in St. George. Could get up to about 103, 104, which is close to average. So what we're going to be dealing with still with high pressure to the south of us, it's going to stay in control of our weather pattern. So summer heat's going to be on repeat across the Beehive State, increasing risk for potential fire risk across mainly southern Utah. And we're looking at, even hotter temperatures than what we're seeing outside right now. So Futurecast showing, mentioned a little bit of moisture across the southeast corner of the state. Some of that's wrapping up around that ridge of high pressure. It will generate a possibility for some thunderstorm development across southern and eastern Utah tomorrow afternoon and evening. With that moisture in place, the lightning strikes, of course, that could spark new wildfires. No red flag warnings issued right now for these areas, but we know that the risk will be there with some of that potential moisture out there, if not just the gusty winds. Storm Prediction Center has that same area from about I-70 south and I-15 east under that risk for some general thunderstorm development. Wildfire threat tomorrow showing mainly the western side of the state, but of course with that risk of some thunderstorm activity, I would include the southeast corner of the state as well. So as high pressure continues to dominate our weather pattern across the southwest, it slowly meanders off towards the west from the southeast corner of Utah towards the western side of the state. That will help cool our temperatures off just a smidge by the end of the week. So again, we're flirting with upper 90s near 100 degrees. So for the next couple of days, we should drop off just a little bit by the end of the week before we rebound. This weekend should be the hottest temperatures of the season so far. Areas that are already issuing excessive heat warnings are to the south of us. I wouldn't be surprised if St. George is included in that. In fact, I would expect it with these daytime highs that we're expecting through the weekend. Look at these temperatures from 105 tomorrow up to 109, maybe 110 on Friday. Hottest temperatures so far. 113 forecast for Sunday. This would be just 3 degrees shy of the all-time record high for St. George of 116. That was set back in 1910. 97 for the Wasatch Front. Tomorrow, 98 on Wednesday. We drop just a little bit. Still hot. Friday, 95. Upper 90s again on Saturday. And then triple-digit temperatures making a comeback into early next week, Sunday, Monday. 100 and 101 on Monday. Courtney.
Oof, hurts just looking at that there.
Oh, my goodness. That St. George forecast?
Yeah, that's rough. All right, thank you, Nate.